husband to her parents, later be introducing some to the mom, the father, the clan. And then after that, the same thing will also be done. Some will be taking his wife Lydia, taking to Hotel Lang clan, introduced to the clan, to the parent, granddaughter, and grandson. And that was a blessing.
As he exits, allow me also recognize the director of St. Gracia's Schools, none other than Dr. Patrick Ouellette, who is here seated. He's the neighbor of this place because he has a school within Guadia.
Oh, thank you
Dr.
very much.
You're most welcome. One of the best secondary schools in Uganda at the moment.